Something from nothing, Taoist flow perspective. The emergence of form through the effortless dance of the way. The Tao that can be spoken of is not the eternal Tao. Liaozi Tao Te Ching. In the Taoist view, there is no need to force the question of how something comes from nothing, because the Tao, the way, naturally unfolds from Wu Wei, effortless action or non doing. It is not that something breaks forth from nothing, but rather that form flows naturally from formlessness, like a river carving valleys through the mountain. Wu Ji to Taiji, stillness into motion. In Taoist cosmology, all begins with Wu Ji, the supreme void, the undivided nothingness. From Wu Ji emerges Taiji, the great polarity, the movement of yin and yang, the first stirring of duality, like ripples forming on the surface of still water. From this polarity, the 10,000 things, all phenomena, flow outward in conscious unfolding. Water, the model of origin. Taoists often compare the Tao to water, soft, yielding, yet supremely powerful. Water does not resist, it flows into space, fills every crevice, nourishes all life, and returns to the source. Likewise, creation flows from the unmanifest with no resistance or strain. Being arises because it is the nature of the way to give rise. Nothingness as fullness. Taoism does not view nothingness as a void in the Western sense of emptiness, but as the source of all potential, like a bowl's usefulness residing in its emptiness. The origin is not an act of force or intervention, it is natural, spontaneous, and ungraspable. Just as the seed sprouts, just as breath flows, so too does being arise from non being, aligned with the flow. Rather than seeking to explain the origin intellectually, Taoist wisdom invites us to feel the flow, to trust the unfolding, and to align ourselves with the way. The mystery is not solved, it is lived. What this means for us. Somethingness arises because it is the Tao's nature to move. The origin is spontaneous, not engineered. Form and emptiness are not opposites, they interdefine one another. We access the source not through grasping, but through yielding, presence, and trust. Sit by a stream, listen not just to the sound, but to the silence behind it. There is no beginning or end, only flow. In each moment, the way reveals itself again, and you too are that unfolding.